Hey there, I'm here to show you what makes our eSUVs a total game changer. Packed with hero features you've got to experience in our electric origin SUVs. These features are top-notch, so easy to use that you'll feel like you're just swiping away on your phone. And here's the cool part. You've got 4 different ways to access these key features. The physical in-touch knob, steering wheel buttons, touch screen, and even Alexa voice commands. It's all about making every ride super intuitive, just the way you like it. First up, meet the in-touch controller, a clever rotary knob that works like a joystick. Fancy, right? It's your main command hub, so you can stay focused on the road while easily managing key controls. Your most used controls are right in touch. Here's how it works. Volume control. Press and the pop-up appears on the screen. And rotate to adjust the volume. Climate control. Need it cool, need it hot, press, turn and get the perfect breeze. For more options, tap the enlarge icon on the screen to explore every HVAC setting. Drive and terrain modes. Feel like going fast or taking it off-road? Press to explore, rotate to decide and push the knob to select. Back and home. A short press goes back, a long press takes you home. Easy, right? Basically, we've kept things simple with physical in-touch buttons, so you don't have to go poke at a screen for every little thing. Moving on to your multitasking partner, the steering wheel. On the right side, you'll find buttons that let you toggle through the drive cluster menu. You can switch between different views, like the minimalistic focus mode for essential info and drive assist mode for detailed drive assist features, navigation mode to keep the map front and center, or analytics for detailed driving data. Pick what works best for you. On the left, total command of audio control, phone calls and voice assist. Let me explain one phone call. Just press the call accept button to receive a call and press the call end button to cut or reject the call. Alternatively, you can tap on the phone app in the CID's app drawer or the phone widget on the CID home screen if applicable for detailed phone actions and information. The wing buttons. They're your ticket to adjusting regenerative braking levels. Select higher regeneration when you're in urban congestion. One pedal drive, just a tap away. You'll hardly ever need to use your brakes. Want to overtake? Press boost and zoom you go. 10 seconds of unmatched power. Quick access? Oh, we've got you covered. 360-degree camera, auto parking, Vision X by Maya, our augmented reality heads-up display, and even our vehicle engine sound system, all controlled through intuitive buttons placed around you. Let's dive deeper into our HMI, crafted to be intuitive, simple, and surprisingly satisfying. Turn Vision X on and off via a physical button on the instrument panel. With the feeling of watching a 75-inch television at a 10-meter distance from your eSUV, Vision X projects key information like speed and navigation cues right in front of you, minimizing distractions. Customize content of Vision X via the touch controller's My Vehicle button and navigate to Vision X through Interior tab. Turn on ADAS view in cluster via the right side steering wheel menu and toggle to drive assist. Turn adaptive cruise control on or off, lane functions, set the speed, forward distance control and more. Enable auto park and 360-degree camera view button via the IP button on the XEV 9e or the overhead button on B6e. Tight parking spots? No problem. Search for available spots and let the car take over. Parallel, perpendicular or angular, you choose. Got stuck in a narrow lane? Our Auto Reverse Assist has your back. Just press the 3-dot icon in the Auto Park menu and select Reverse Assist. Behold the coast-to-coast widescreen spectacle, one of the largest displays in any car. Our design philosophy? Keep it simple. Level 1 screens show you what matters most, while tapping gives you more details. The HMI is designed from ground up to be as intuitive as possible. Want to know more? Let's explore the 3 screens from left to right, starting with the passenger, then center, and finally the driver's screen. For our lucky passengers, meet the Passenger Interactive Display or PID, basically a mini entertainment hub. Open the app drawer from the bottom bar or swipe up from the home screen to enter fun and work mode. Stream movies, play games, shop or make video calls. A digital playground at your fingertips. Tap the media widget on the home screen, change audio sources, adjust volume or view videos from internal storage or USB. Set the perfect vibe with just a few taps from zen to party in no time. Our in-car experience lets you enjoy the same content in the backseat, whether you're binging your favorite show, catching up on work, or simply relaxing. We've got you covered. Open the Me For You app and tap in-car experience to connect via Wi-Fi. Prefer to sync up with the passenger screen or maybe chart your own path with custom maps? You've got options. Adjusting climate control from the second row allows the boss in the back seat to set their perfect temperature. Sync videos across all screens for that in-flight individual screen experience. Press the content sharing button when a video is being played on screen and toggle to on position in the theatre mode. Audio is played through the impressive 16-speaker Harman Kardon system for a true theatre effect. While the XEV 9e flaunts a 3-screen setup for driver, center and passenger views, the B6e dual-screen cockpit amps up the racing vibe. Each eSUV is uniquely stacked. Now let's talk about the center information display, the grand commander of your interior tech universe. It's all about control, simplicity and looking great. Quick tweaks to temperature, apps, shortcut for home screen and more. Always there, always within easy reach. Time, user profile, air quality index and other must-knows all at a glance. Swipe to view, long press to edit and customize. Not a fan of dials? Just tap the screen's top left corner for volume magic. Always there on all screens. App drawer, like your phone's menu. Favorites pinned for quick grabs, while other apps bucketed into intuitive tabs. Audio settings. Open the app drawer, go to General Settings and choose Audio. Experience the 16-speaker Harman Kardon plus Dolby sound system. Try Dolby-enabled music for a surreal sound experience. From elegant blue for a classy vibe to exciting red for spirited drives, tailor your drive mood. Infinity roof lights respond to speed and even turns. Choose from club, calm and cozy modes. Sync seats, visuals, audio, climate control and ambient lights for a unique, cocooned experience. Identity keeps an eye on you for safety, work or entertainment. Detects driver distraction and sends alerts. Click selfies and add fun filters. Video calls on PID, on XEV while on the move. View live camera angles or check recordings of theft attempts and suspicious behavior. Keep your pet cool while you run errands. The CID screen displays a reassuring message for passerbys that climate control is on. Customize your preferences to suit your driving style or level of assist. Choose from multiple options like lane keep functions, speed detection alerts, lane change functions, or emergency braking assists, to name a few. Control and view charging parameters like charging limit, schedule, last charge details, etc. Track your eco score and driving analytics for the geek inside you. Switch between range, everyday and race modes seamlessly. Want to set the brightness of the screens? Simply open the app drawer on the CID and press General Settings. Tap the Display tab and there you have it. Slide away to match your eyes' comfort level. And lastly, all vehicle-related controls and settings are all found under My Vehicle section. Easily access this via the My Vehicle InTouch button. Intuitive grouping of exterior and interior sections make it easy for you to find and tweak whatever you wish for. This is your driver information display or DID, a screen that talks to you. Positioned perfectly so the steering wheel never gets in the way. Here's what it does. Know your juice level at a glance, like checking your phone battery. Monitor power usage and regeneration live. PRND modes, clearly displayed. Whether sporty or eco, it's displayed so you can ride accordingly. Mileage, clock and even weather, all set at a glance. Real-time directions for smooth journeys. And that's how our trio of screens work together, making every drive smarter, simpler and more fun. Finally, we haven't forgotten the essentials. Seat memory, fast chargers, beautifully designed gear knobs and more. All right, that was your tech tour. Ready to explore? Just remember, everything's in touch. See you on the road.